Here's how to turn on predictive text on Android. Now, if you're on your Android keyboard, specifically Google's Gboard, and you want it to predict what you're going to type next as you start to type it, but it's not showing up, you can always add that by hopping out of here. And what we're going to do is swipe up and tap on search, and we're just going to search for Gboard. Oh, not Fboard. We're going to search for Gboard and open up that app. Now, once you open up the Gboard settings, what we're going to do is tap on corrections and suggestions, and then scroll down from here. And you're going to turn on a few things. One is turn on Smart Compose, suggest words inline while typing, and then turn on Suggestions Strip, show suggestions and access features, but also turn on word suggestions and next word suggestions. You can also have it have smart replies and suggested context. You can turn on all of these if you want, and I'll show you how it works. Let's hop out of here and open this up. And now after I type in hi and I hit space, you can see it starts to suggest or predict what I should type next. And you can just tap on it to continue typing out all of those. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or have feedback for me, leave it in the comments down below. Let me know if this was legitimately helpful for you or if you're still having issues with your Android phone. Thanks.